right, could you state your name, please?
Kimberly Ann Ululani Carney.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Carney, this is regarding case number 2025 CF. And ma'am, since we're on record and ma'am, since I'm on record and starting business, you can't talk because it'll interfere with the record, okay?
It was
Yep.
their
So if
phone.
you need to, you can go outside if it's ringing or whatever and figure out how to turn it off or shut off or whatever you need to do. All right, ma'am. So this is regarding case 2025 CF44. A complaint has been filed. I want to review those charges with you, and the bond has been changed. So you have one count of transportation of a dangerous drug for sale, a Class 2 felony. Count 2 is possession of chemicals or equipment to manufacture dangerous drugs, a Class 3 felony. Count 3 is possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony. Count 4 is possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. Count 5 is possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. Count 6 is an additional count of possession of drug paraphernalia, as well as count 7 and count 8. So those are all possession of drug paraphernalia charges. The bond has been requested and granted for a bond change to $50,000. So you're now held in custody on a $50,000 bond, and your preliminary hearing is now scheduled for December 2nd of 2025 at 3 o'clock p.m. Do you have any questions on that?
Is it? Please tell me it's not cash only.
It is not cash only. Let me just make sure and double review. It doesn't indicate that, but let me review one form with your question. Could you ask Andrea what those initials are on that? CS.
Over the holidays, we get to go home, Dad. We're not going home.
Cash surety.
It is cash security, yes.
Is there any way that I could get it changed from cash only to the other one?
It doesn't
Please, sir,
appear
I'm not a
so.
flight risk.
Yeah, it doesn't appear so. That was what requested of the prosecutor and granted. Any other questions on that?
So there was something held without me there.
Nothing was held. The prosecutor reviewed the report that was presented by law enforcement, redrafted these current charges as a result of that, and then asked for the change of the bond. And so that's the only changes is the prosecutor reviewed the information and came out with the complaint. So you actually have a complaint filed now. Before, when you spoke to the judge, there was not a complaint filed. Now there is a
Right.
complaint, and that's why the preliminary hearing date of December 2nd.
Um, and then so how would I get the bond re-looked at?
There is a bond review that can be scheduled at a later time. So there's some procedures that take place. There's a court-appointed attorney that was available to you. You completed the information, it appears. So your attorney will be assigned that and will request a bond review if they find that it necessary, and they'll be in contact with you so you can request that if you wish.
Okay.
Okay, that's all I have for you.
Thank you.
You bet. Hello, sir. Can you state your name, please?
Darren Lemke.
All right. All right, sir. This is regarding case 2025 CF45. There's been a filing of a complaint, and the charges have changed as well as the bond. So I'll inform you of that information as well.
Okay.
All right, the complaints filed. Count 1 is charging you with transfer of a dangerous drug, a Class 2 felony. Count 2 is possession of chemicals or equipment to manufacture dangerous drugs, a Class 3 felony. Count 3 is possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony. Count 4 is possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. Count 5, 6, 7, and 8 are possession of drug paraphernalia, all Class 6 felonies. The bond has been requested to be set at a cash surety bond at $50,000 and has been granted. Your preliminary hearing date is December 2nd of 2025 at 3 o'clock p.m. You've also completed a financial statement to be reviewed for an assignment of an attorney. If you qualify, that attorney will be assigned, review the bond, be made aware of your charges and then your in custody status, and be in touch with you shortly thereafter.
This is all ridiculous.
Okay, is that all you have to say, sir?
No, I mean, we're transporting nothing. Like that stuff is chemicals for car parts.
Okay, well, right here is not the time for the trial, and I want to just caution you so you don't self-incriminate. So you'll have an opportunity. What you're going to want to do is talk to the attorney once he gets in touch with you regarding the case and what information you would like to say to him.
All right.
Okay, that's all I have for you, sir.
Okay.
You betcha. Detention staff, who do you want these emailed to?
You can send them to either Hartman or Smith.
Hartman or Smith?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.